ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಪ್ರಜಾವಾಹಿನಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ರಜನಿಶ್ರೀ.
चरण हो राघव के जहाँ मेरा ठिकाना हो.
Good evening and a warm welcome to all the honorable dignitaries.
Madam, today, under the Children's Education Society, Oxford institutions, we have 36 institutions from KG to PG. We started medical college. It's a natural growth from LKG, UKG, preparatory first standard. Then we started polytechnic, PUC, science, commerce, arts, law, then dental, pharmacy, physiotherapy, nursing. After starting all these institutions, we took a very bold step in year 2011. We purchased in Akibele this land of 25 acres. We dedicated this land to medical college. We started this medical college, we went through a very rough weather. We went through all sorts of problems.
What we study and what we actually end up doing, most parents would agree. What we have studied and what we actually do in our jobs, there's no relationship between that. At least now going ahead, there are a lot of avenues of scope for work. So learning is endless. Learning ends only when we die. That should be our understanding of life and learning. It is not with this exam, and it is forever. And we all know that stagnant water stinks. So nothing should be stagnant. Learning is a continuous process and it goes on. Even animals don't go near stagnant water. It breeds a lot of unhealthy, unwanted stuff. So we shouldn't be like stagnant water. Wherever we are, in whatever field we are, learning is a continuous process. So that was the first myth I just wanted to bust for you all, that learning doesn't end with your 12th grade. So I hope you're all well prepared for your 12th and 10th. But even if you're not, it is not the end of the world. Please understand that you have to keep learning and engaging in whatever interests you.
ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಪ್ರಜಾವಾಹಿನಿ ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿರಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್, ಟ್ವಿಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಜಾವಾಹಿನಿ ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ.